Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to another day in our life. Today, it's desert day.
Honey, 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 honey.
Yesterday was crazy, but today, let's go through the desert days. Make sure to make glacier count. Yeah, I still have a little bit of flu, but it is what it is. Let's head out to the desert. I'm putting on the same shirt because I love it. I was like bought more than 2 of these. See you.
So guys, we're currently at the desert right now. The reason why I didn't record the journey to here, because guys, we paid for premium and these guys bought us in a van. So I kept on asking myself, why are they bringing us in the van, you know? But anyway, the van was just to bring us here. Then after, we shall be getting a 4x4 to the other desert where, you know, the driver drives you, you know, the car bouncing up and down, you know. But here, this is where we're going to be doing the quad bikes, as you can see, guys. Yeah. But again, these guys can know how to rip you off, you know. When you pay for a package like premium, you have to get 4x4 hotel pickup and everything, you know. So guys, let me first go enjoy this ride.
Let's go! Guys, these are moments that everyone has to enjoy. You know, this is the playground for adults. Let me look for Yaga. Where's Yaga? Where's Yaga? Guys, look where Yaga is. He's there slaying. Look at he's there. Yaga! Ah! He's slaying. Welcome to Dubai! Guys, this is truly a playground for adults. Look at all adults. Look at them. Those are all adults enjoying this. This is truly a playground for adults. Anyway guys, let's head out now to another camp to have fun, you know. I hope you guys are enjoying. Let's have fun. Let's go!
Can you hear me? Say it on the mic. When my hips go, little left and right.
So guys, this is what I say. You see, back home, these are the cars your boys keep on flexing with. And these guys are using them for desert safari. Look at this is a 2022 model Land Cruiser V8. That one right there. But these are the cars that the boys are flexing back home with. And they're being used for desert safari. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is mad. This is a Nissan. It's a Nissan. Look at them. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how fast they're coming in. Look at it. Look at how fast they're coming in. Look at that. And then there is one up coming from up there. And then there is a Jeep. That's a Jeep Wrangler right there. Bad boy, right there. And there's a Nissan coming in right there. These are the cars that your ministers flexing. Look at the fleet. Look at the fleet that is coming in, guys. Look at the fleet that is coming in. Land Cruiser after Land Cruiser. Look at how these boys are driving. Yo, one by one. Come on, one by one. And the experts, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. This car costs like 300 million back home. This one right here costs 200 million back home. Land Cruiser after Land Cruiser, the ones that your ministers use, you know? Yeah, we're using them for desert safari. Miss Khalid. Yes. Yeah, dress me up. Junior, dress me up. No, let's be covered. How long have you been working here? 1 year. 1 year. You make good money?
Yes.
I teach you Forex. You know Forex? Forex trading? I'll teach you Forex and you make more money.
I know. You make Forex trading?
I make doctor salary one day. Alright. Guys, you see? So guys, apparently Last time I came here, I was able to access the VIP lounge, but this time around, that was not possible. Like at the start of this trip, like from the time it started, I felt it wasn't going to be a good trip, to be honest, guys. Last time I was up there, those big seats there, but this time around today, I'm caught up this side. And you know, I have knee problems, so I can't just be seated this anyhowly. And the fact that I have to line up for food, that is so annoying. So I'm just going to end up buying food. I can't line up. Like even when I'm just getting a haircut, my barber comes to my house. You know, I hate lining up. Yeah, guys, going to take pictures with the bud.
Fresh juice with French fries.
Give me this one.
Next fruit?
Yeah.
40 dirham.
No, you said, but that side told me 20. Why are you 40? Not 30.
Big one.
Yeah, 30. Give me that one.
One?
Yeah, one.
Pay by card, cash?
Cash.
Cash.
Listen, you have water?
Water?
Yeah.
Water free.
Water is fair.
Water here free.
You are inside free.
Alright, thank you. Oh, guys, I'm so hungry and I feel headache. I feel like doing this at the next time, but I've been here already the first time, so I don't regret on anything. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to be chilling as I'm waiting for Yaga to come back and then we'll see what's up. So guys, the only thing I can have is fruits. See? I can't manage to go in for that line. That line is too long. That line up there, yeah, that one. It's too long for me. And you know, and most of you guys know me, I don't believe in time wasting. So for the time that I'll stand there and wait, you know, I'd rather buy fruits from just here. You know, I would rather just pay money than get the fruits quick. You know, I'll just eat fruits now in the desert, then when I go back to Dubai, I'll buy something different. I'll have something sensible to eat. Guys in the VIP are getting a VIP treatment. Food is just, Guys, I got myself some fries. It's the only thing I can eat from here. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. The hustles of watching. Everyone has put up their phone, so when I try to record, I'm recording people's phones. And yes, guys, that was the day. Dubai Desert Safari. I very much experienced wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting premium, like VVVIP, because since we paid a lot for this. But I'm grateful. I'm not complaining, you know. Being able to do this off my schedule, like I'm just grateful for the freedom, you know. I can always do this again. I can even pay again and come back tomorrow and express the VVIP what I want. But you know, I'm just grateful. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. We're going to be heading out, you know, back to the apartment where we are staying. I think it will be like a 2-3 hour drive from here because we're in the desert, meaning we are far away from the city, guys. So guys, before I go to bed, I wanted to first go to the swimming pool, you know, and cool off because I'm tired, you know. And the other way I can cool off is by swimming. So let's access the swimming pool. Where is it? As you can see, guys, I'm the only one at the swimming pool, so I'm going to have some swim, of course, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 20 then, you know. Then I'll go back and have some rest, you know, because again, we have lots of things prepared. Yeah, so guys, let me swim. Welcome to the real world.
So guys, done swimming. You know, I don't like wasting time. I was just there for like 5 minutes and I'm already done. Yeah, guys. So, by the way, guys, I used to be so huge. You know, when I was in school, I used to have the 8 abs. I was mugged and all that, but I discovered that I was putting in more energy and time in gymming, and I was really achieving that goal in gymming, but I wasn't achieving my goal in Forex. So I diverted that energy to trading Forex. Now, my body had to change, you know? So since I was too big when I was non-trading, after I focused the energy that I was putting on gym to trading, now things changed. I lost that big body, but I became good at trading. you know, but there's no complaining. I'm going to be putting a picture of me when I was still, you know, gymming, but I didn't know trading. I was blowing accounts. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Then like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.